Here is NUCIDA's weekly forecast of expected post activities in the realm of software quality on social media channels for week 02 of 2026. Our analysis is based on the social media post data from LinkedIn, YouTube, X, and other internet sources released last week, which revealed dynamic daily changes. I'll leverage the provided web results, which cover software quality trends for 2025, and combine them with logical extrapolation of ongoing conversations in the tech community. The ranking is based on the prominence of topics in recent publications, their relevance to current software quality challenges, and their engagement potential on the mentioned platforms. Each topic's ranking reflects its immediacy, impact, and discussion volume, with reasons for placement and a forecast for future trends included. So what will be the top 10 hot topics this week? Buckle up and let's start the countdown. 10. Accessibility testing. This topic ranks at number 10 because it appears in several discussions across blogs and LinkedIn posts, but it receives fewer mentions compared to more dominant trends like AI integration, indicating it is important, yet not the most urgent focus this week. Organizations should prioritize accessibility testing by incorporating tools that simulate user experiences for people with disabilities, ensuring compliance with standards like WCAG, and training teams to identify issues early in development to create inclusive software that reaches a broader audience. In the next 3 months, accessibility testing will likely see increased adoption as regulatory pressures grow, with more automated tools emerging to integrate seamlessly into CI/CD pipelines, potentially leading to standardized practices across industries. This could include advancements in AI-assisted audits that detect violations in real time during code commits, reducing manual reviews and enabling faster compliance checks. Furthermore, as awareness of inclusive design rises among developers, we may witness a surge in open source contributions to accessibility libraries, fostering community-driven improvements and broader implementation in enterprise software. Additionally, with predictions of more ADA lawsuits targeting public entities and expansion into new states, organizations might accelerate the adoption of proactive governance frameworks to mitigate legal risks, while AI predictions analyze user interactions to spot issues early across devices, making manual testing less dominant but still essential for nuanced validations. 9. Data-driven QA. This topic earns the 9th spot due to its presence in web searches and X posts emphasizing evidence-based testing, though it is overshadowed by automation and AI themes that dominate current conversations. Teams are advised to leverage real-world data analytics to guide testing efforts, focusing on user behavior patterns to prioritize test cases and improve software relevance, which can reduce bugs and enhance user satisfaction. Over the next 3 months, data-driven QA is expected to evolve with better integration of machine learning for predictive analytics, allowing teams to anticipate defects more accurately and refine testing strategies in real time. This progression might involve the adoption of advanced dashboards that visualize data trends from production environments, enabling proactive adjustments to test suites. Additionally, as organizations collect more telemetry from user interactions, we could see the emergence of hybrid models that combine historical data with real-time inputs, leading to more resilient software and potentially decreasing downtime by up to 20% in high-traffic applications. Furthermore, with trends pointing toward edge AI and synthetic data generation, QA teams may incorporate these to handle larger data sets without privacy concerns, while certificates and analytics engineering become key skills for interpreting AI-driven insights, ultimately shifting focus from reactive fixes to predictive quality assurance aligned with business metrics. 8. Performance testing integration. Ranking 8th, this topic surfaces in YouTube forecasts and X discussions about combining functional and performance checks, but it trails behind core AI-related innovations in frequency and buzz. To effectively implement this, companies should blend performance metrics into early testing phases using tools that monitor speed and scalability under real loads, preventing post-release issues and ensuring smooth user experiences. Within the next 3 months, performance testing integration will probably advance through hybrid approaches that incorporate AI for simulating diverse scenarios, resulting in faster identification of bottlenecks and more resilient applications. Expect to see tools like enhanced load simulators that use generative AI to create realistic traffic patterns based on historical data, allowing for more accurate predictions of system behavior under stress. Moreover, as cloud-native architectures become standard, integration with container orchestration platforms could automate performance baselines, helping teams maintain optimal response times and resource utilization across distributed systems. Additionally, with a shift toward continuous real-time validation in CI/CD pipelines, performance engineering may evolve to include AI-driven predictions accessible via API keys, reducing the need for extensive manual configurations and focusing on user experience in microservices environments, potentially cutting release times while enhancing reliability. 7. Ethical AI testing. This topic holds the 7th position as it is highlighted in blogs and LinkedIn trends regarding bias detection, yet it is not as prevalent as direct automation advancements in recent posts. Professionals ought to incorporate ethical evaluations into AI testing by auditing for fairness, transparency, and bias in datasets, fostering trust and compliance with emerging ethical guidelines. Looking ahead 3 months, ethical AI testing is anticipated to gain momentum with new frameworks and tools designed for automated bias scanning, potentially becoming a mandatory step in quality assurance processes as public awareness rises. This could manifest in the form of integrated plugins for popular IDEs that flag potential ethical issues during development, drawing from expanding databases of known biases. In addition, regulatory bodies may introduce preliminary guidelines that encourage voluntary certifications, prompting companies to invest in training programs and leading to a more standardized approach that minimizes risks in AI deployments across sectors like healthcare and finance. Furthermore, with trends emphasizing accountability frameworks enforceable in live environments, agentic guardrails in law, and copyright questions, QA teams might adopt explainable AI techniques to ensure transparency, while global risk trends push for ethical governance that aligns with privacy laws, ultimately redefining trust in AI systems. 6. Code quality. In AI-generated code, securing 6th place, this topic is evident in X threads and web snippets about reviewing AI-produced code, but it ranks below broader testing methodologies in overall mentions this week. Developers are recommended to enforce strict code reviews and use linters alongside AI generation, emphasizing security and maintainability to mitigate risks like vulnerabilities introduced by automated coding. In the coming 3 months, code quality for AI-generated content will likely improve with enhanced AI models that self-check for errors, leading to reduced reliance on manual reviews and higher baseline standards. Advancements may include the integration of static analysis tools that specifically target AI-induced patterns, such as redundant logic or insecure dependencies, providing immediate feedback in coding environments. Furthermore, as adoption grows, we might observe the rise of collaborative platforms where teams share best practices for refining AI outputs, ultimately resulting in more secure and efficient code bases that align with enterprise requirements. Additionally, with predictions of a 2,500% increase in Gen AI software defects and code debt coming due, organizations could implement governance to prevent budget overruns, while improved models reduce hallucinations and enhance contextual understanding, ensuring real-time feedback loops that maintain quality despite the speed of generation. 5. Continuous testing and QA ops. This topic ranks 5th because it features prominently in DevOps-related blogs and YouTube content, reflecting a steady interest but less hype than AI-specific tools. Implementing continuous testing requires embedding QA into CI/CD pipelines with automated feedback loops, promoting collaboration between teams to achieve faster releases without sacrificing quality. The next 3 months may see continuous testing and QA ops mature through better tool integrations, enabling more organizations to adopt real-time validation and shorten development cycles significantly. This could involve the proliferation of open-source plugins that facilitate seamless connections between testing frameworks and deployment tools, allowing for instant rollback on failures. Additionally, as metrics for QA ops become more refined, companies might start benchmarking their processes against industry standards, driving improvements in release velocity and defect detection rates across agile teams. Furthermore, with Agentic AI ascending to strategic partners and unified pipelines, shifting left and right simultaneously, QA may transform into a revenue driver by aligning with business metrics, while AI agents handle scheduling and allocation, potentially leading to unbreakable release pipelines in DevOps environments. 4. Shift left testing. Placing fourth, this topic is frequently discussed in testing trends articles and X posts about early involvement in SDLC, showing strong relevance but not topping AI dominance. Teams should adopt shift left by involving testers in design phases, using collaborative tools to catch defects early and reduce costs associated with late-stage fixes. Over the next 3 months, shift left testing is projected to expand with AI-assisted requirements analysis, streamlining early detection, and fostering a culture of proactive quality across development teams. Expect innovations like automated requirement validators that use natural language processing to identify ambiguities before coding begins, minimizing rework. Moreover, training initiatives may emphasize cross-functional skills, leading to more integrated workflows where developers and testers collaborate from inception, potentially cutting project timelines by enhancing upfront quality gates. Additionally, as AI redefines shift left through smarter processes, organizations might embed testing in data pipelines horizontally, addressing risks earlier and combining with shift right for comprehensive coverage, ultimately reducing defects found late and improving overall software reliability in agile settings. 3. Self-healing and codeless automation. This topic claims third place with notable mentions in LinkedIn and blog forecasts about reducing maintenance, indicating high practical value amid growing automation needs. For optimal results, incorporate self-healing scripts that adapt to UI changes and codeless platforms to empower non-technical users, accelerating test creation and maintenance. In the following 3 months, self-healing and codeless automation will advance rapidly with AI enhancements, making them more accessible and reducing test flakiness in dynamic environments. This might include the release of updated platforms that leverage machine learning to predict and autocorrect script failures based on pattern recognition. Furthermore, as user-friendly interfaces evolve, we could see increased adoption among business analysts, bridging the gap between technical and non-technical stakeholders and enabling faster iteration in agile projects. Additionally, with self-healing becoming a standard in tools for functional testing and AI-powered maintenance at enterprise scale, dynamic scripts will require minimal intervention, while proactive risk mitigation integrates with hyper-automation, potentially revolutionizing test suites to handle UI tweaks autonomously and triage failures intelligently. 2. Agentic AI and QA. Ranking second, this topic garners significant attention in recent blogs and web searches for its autonomous capabilities, nearly rivaling general AI trends and excitement. Organizations are encouraged to deploy agentic AI for independent decision-making and testing, such as prioritizing cases or adapting strategies to boost efficiency and handle complex scenarios. The next 3 months could witness agentic AI and QA becoming more refined with improved reasoning models, leading to widespread pilot programs and measurable productivity gains. Developments may feature multi-agent systems that collaborate on test orchestration, simulating real-world interactions more effectively. Additionally, as benchmarks for agent performance are established, enterprises might integrate these into their core QA processes, resulting in reduced human intervention and enhanced accuracy in defect prediction across diverse software ecosystems. Furthermore, with forecasts of 40% of QA workloads handled independently by 2026, including scheduling and resource allocation, agentic systems could evolve into proactive workflow partners, while organizational pilots tailored to needs surge, transforming QA from brittle scripts to autonomous agents that generate, heal, and monitor tests in production-centric quality strategies. 1. AI-powered test automation. This topic tops the list at number 1, as it dominates across X posts, LinkedIn trends, YouTube forecasts, and blogs, reflecting its central role in transforming software quality discussions this week. To maximize benefits, integrate AI for generating and optimizing test cases, predictive defect analysis, and automation scripting, ensuring higher coverage and faster iterations. Within the next 3 months, AI-powered test automation is forecasted to surge with new open-source tools and integrations, solidifying its position as a standard practice and driving innovation in quality assurance. This growth could be propelled by advancements in generative AI that create context-aware tests from minimal inputs, adapting to code changes autonomously. Moreover, collaborations between major tech firms may yield hybrid solutions that combine cloud-based processing with on-premise security, enabling scalable testing for large enterprises and potentially halving the time required for regression cycles. Additionally, with the third wave of tools featuring self-healing at scale, intelligent test creation, visual validation, and predictive analytics, testers will guide AOE rather than script manually, while platforms like AskUI, TestSprite, and Catalan emphasize autonomous agents and low-code options, ultimately optimizing QA cycles and aligning with DevSecOps for hyper-automation. Looking toward 2027 and 2028, software quality topics are poised to shift toward quantum-resistant testing methodologies as quantum computing matures, emphasizing secure algorithms against emerging threats that could break traditional encryption, with tools evolving to simulate quantum attacks and ensure data integrity in hybrid environments. This may include widespread adoption of quantum-safe cryptography in QA processes, driven by a forecasted 12.7% CAGR in automated software quality markets through 2028, integrating with AI-native platforms for robust simulations. Additionally, immersive VR/AR quality assurance will rise to prominence, focusing on user experience in extended realities by developing specialized testing frameworks for spatial interactions and haptic feedback, addressing challenges like motion sickness and latency in virtual applications, potentially influenced by tech trends like edge AI and hardware advancements, while sustainable software practices will emerge, prioritizing energy-efficient code and green testing frameworks to address environmental concerns in tech development, including metrics for carbon footprint in CI/CD pipelines and incentives for low-power algorithms, potentially influenced by global regulations pushing for eco-friendly digital infrastructure. Furthermore, with predictions that 15% of routine business decisions will be made autonomously by AI agents by 2028, QA may incorporate multi-agent systems for end-to-end validation, while platform engineering and Gen AI capabilities in developer tools reach 70% adoption by 2027, fostering AI trust layers and governance to handle the explosion of AI-generated applications. Hopefully this video gives you additional insights. What do you think about the hot topics this week? Write your views in the comments section below. In terms of further questions, feel free to write to us. We will analyze all important internet channels and release our analysis report every Monday. Follow or subscribe to this channel to stay up to date and know more than your competitors. Happy testing and see you next time.